It is extremely disheartening and it really breaks your heart when you see that negative beta HCG. When you understand with that blood test after 2 weeks of the embryo transfer that you have failed in the IVF cycle. Believe me, I see a lot of patients these days. There is a very high number of patients who come to us with previously failed IVF or with patients with previous miscarriages. It is very important to understand why the IVF cycle has failed. There is a concept of unexplained infertility, but in my opinion, the percentage of unexplained infertility is as low as 1%. Most of the time, there always has to be a reason why the IVF has failed. Most importantly, we have to divulge deep into the details of the IVF which has been done for the patient. We have to understand right from the reason why the IVF was done, what injections were given, what kind of culture media was used, what was the embryo quality, what was the sperm quality, what was the egg quality, how was the uterus thickness, how was the vascularity of the endometrium. And there are so many factors which we have to try to explore and try to understand when we are dealing with an IVF failure patient. Believe me, I have seen patients cry their heart out. I have seen patients who have given up on their fertility journey just because they have had a failed IVF. It is very important to not just, you have to tackle this patient with a lot of care, with a lot of love, and with a lot of compassion. Along with that, you have to be very scientifically sound to understand what could have gone wrong in that case. Today, we have got various frontiers like immunological testing, like genetic testing, and so on and so forth, which we can offer to the patient so that we can improve their success rate. We have the power to change their narrative. We have the power to change their story and give them a new hope and bring a miracle in their life and help them achieve the dream of parenthood. Once a failed IVF does not mean that you'll always have a failed IVF. If you need any help, call us and we are right here to help you.